Hi guys, so welcome back to Cpanel. So in this Cpanel tutorial, I want to teach you how to connect your domain name to a Cpanel. So I'm going to teach you how to connect a different domain name to a different Cpanel. Now I've seen most people try to do it and they did it the wrong way, while other developers are not even aware. So you hear something like, "How do I move my domain name? How do I move a domain from Hostinger to Namecheap and so on and so on?" But what I'm going to teach you right now, you can actually have your domain name in Hostinger and have your hosting in Namecheap. Whatever host, in fact, you can do that to any hosting of your choice. As far as the hosting you are using can contain multiple domain. All right. So now for this, I'm using PMS Tech for this tutorial. So this is PMS Tech, Aztec hosting. Now I have a domain here, so I want to use it for this tutorial. So I'm going to link it to my Namecheap account. Are we together? All right. So you go to where your domain name is, where you purchase your domain name. You open your domain name. You go to name server. Now name server is what I said. You go to name server. Click on name server, and it will open. Now instead of use default name server, click on use custom name server. Now go to Namecheap or whatever hosting you are using. Go to domains. Click on domain. Now, once you click on domain, it will open up this domain aspect for you. Now, right here, this is where you add remove domain, manage domain, and others. So this is where you do all those things. So I want to remove this one. So I want to remove this. Yes, remove domain, but because it's subdomain. Okay, so you have to remove the first domain first. Anyway, that is not why I'm here. Why I'm here is to show you how to add domain. So you remove this one first before you remove this. So it's to show you where how to add it. Now, remember, this is where we want to, this is the domain name we want to link to that hosting. So the first thing I want to do is to go to Namecheap and look for Namecheap DNS. So DNS is the domain name server of that hosting you are using. So you could go online and search for Namecheap DNS or whatever hosting you are using. Now, most of these hosting they have their DNS listed out in the general public. It's listed out in the general public, while for others it is not. So I already know Namecheap one, but I'm just going to look for you so you see. What is Namecheap DNS? I don't know which exact place it is, but I already have it on my head. All right, this is the old one they were using before, and the new one is okay, not here. So let's look for the new one. Anyway, the new one is DNS1 native posting. Okay, this is it, right? This is it. So I'm going to copy it, come back to this area, paste it here. This is the DNS1, right? So DNS1 namecheapposting.com, DNS2 namecheapposting.com. So I'm going to replace this. I'll replace this as well. And change this to 2, and then come downward and click on change name server. Now once you click on change name server, it's going to reload and save up. So it says an issue occur, but it has actually worked. You cannot print your domain, please. That will take 24 hours. So as you can see, it has actually worked, and we have it here. So ignore the error because it has worked. There's no need to contact support. But if yours did not work, then you have to contact your live chat support or whatever support you are using, right? Okay. So now, with that being said, now we have connected this to it. So I'm going to go to overview, copy the domain name. Where is the domain name? I'm just going to copy it. Now come to my Namecheap cPanel where the domain is. Click on create new. Post this here. Remove the .com and all that. Now I don't want it to be on the same share folder as public underscore HTML. So I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to scroll downward and click on submit and create. it told me that it takes a moment to actually work, so just be patient. And it's going to check if the DNS is connected, and once it's connected, it's going to link it. So right here, I can host my file, do anything I want to do at the same time. The domain will be working for me. Now the advantage of this is that sometimes when your website gets suspended here, you still have access to the domain name from this other place, so you can just change the DNS again and continue what you're doing. So this is one of the best way I can actually recommend. As you can see, I have it here right now. So that's how it is, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then share this video to someone that needs it. A developer that does not know how to use two different platforms to build a website. So thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Bye for now.